How to uninstall Gemini on your Android device. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily uninstall the Gemini application. So the very first thing you're gonna have to do is find your Gemini application. So I've got this application right here. So what I'm gonna do is simply go ahead and long press on this app. What happens is this pop-up will appear now, and if you tap on remove, it won't completely uninstall it, but it will just remove it from your home screen. But if you want to completely uninstall it, just long press on it and you'll find the uninstall button right here. Just tap on it and then tap on OK to confirm the uninstallation. There are other methods that you can apply as well. You could directly head over to Google Play Store and then search for Google Gemini. Then right here, right besides the open button, you'll find the uninstall button. Go ahead and tap on this. And if you want to confirm, just tap on uninstall. You'll be able to do so. There's one other method that you can do. Open up your settings, then scroll down until you find your app settings. Now just go ahead and find Gemini. So I'm just going to go to the search bar and search for Gemini. Tap on the application. And right below here at the center, you'll find the option to uninstall the app. Now tap on OK, and you should be able to uninstall the application easily. So these are a few of the methods that you can use to uninstall any app on your Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.